Hello students, we will be learning everything about surds in this video. Basically all elementary things about surds in this video. Make sure that you all go through this video thoroughly in order to have full grip on this topic. Okay, so just go through this video very closely. Suppose if I say 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. As both the roots are same, we can directly add 5 plus 2 is 7, root 7. Answer is root 7. Nothing over here means it is 1, correct? So 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 1 is 6 root 2. Next, nothing over here again is subtraction, 1. Just go as per the order of the question. I know that more than one sign is rule of BODMAS, but rule of BODMAS is what? When only two signs, addition and subtraction, is remaining, you will just follow the order of the question. So 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. Put sign of a greater number, which is, this is greater, so minus 5. Minus minus action is plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and sign of minus again, sign of greater number, which is this. So answer is negative 3 root 2. I hope you all are clear till here. Next, again, here what you will be doing, you will be grouping the things. So this will be added with this and this will be added with this. So 3 minus 1 is 2 root 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7 root 3. So answer is 2 root 2 plus 7 root 3. Here again grouping is needed. This will be grouped with this. This will be grouped with this, and this number will be only grouped with this number. So 3 root 2, nothing over here means 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 root 2. Here nothing means 1. So as this, why grouping? Because this is root 11, this is group 11. So 4 minus 1 is plus 3 root 11. And this 6 minus 3 is 3. So 2 root 2 plus 3 root 11 minus 3. Sorry, I'm so sorry, I've gone forward. Don't look at the pages. Yes, there are many pages, but this will give you lots of grip. So please pay attention. Minus minus cancel. 2 3s are 6. Okay, multiplication. This is multiplication. Root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 4. What is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2, because 2 square is 4. So 6 into 2 is 12. That's why it has always been told that you should know 2 to 25 square numbers thoroughly so that your things become faster. Nothing on top of 1 is only 1. Rule of indices you will apply here. Nothing on top of 1 is only 1, correct? So 3, here 1 into 2 is 3 square. Here 1 into 2 is square, so root 2 square. So 3 square is 9, and root 2 square means root 2 into root 2. So which is root 4. So root of 4 is 2. So answer is 18. So 9 times 2 is 18. Again same thing. Nothing means 2 4. Here this is root 2 4. 2 4 is what? 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. And here root 2. Correct. So this root 2 into root 2 is root 4, which will become only 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4, which will become only 2. So answer is 64. I hope you all are clear till here. Next thing, root 7 means root 7 into root 7, which is root 49, and square root of 49 is 7. Here this is 1 square. Here root 17 square. Correct? Both will be squared. Root 17 square means it is like this, root 17. Correct? So root 17 multiplied by 17 is root of 289, and root of 289 is 17. Another short way is root 17, both are square root, single digit le lo, which is 17. Here this root 2 is multiplied thrice. So which is root 8, and square root of 8 is 2. Another short thing is root 2 is multiplied thrice. ये सब root को cancel कर दो, answer is only 2. ये सब square root को cancel कर दो, answer is only 7. You can do that way also. But as a teacher, I have to show you the logical way. So I am showing you the logical way. 1 cube. Again, this is cube root 5, which is, you know, it is multiplied thrice. Correct? 1 cube is 1. As it is this cancelled. As it is cube, so this all are partners, so it will be only 5. So it will be 1 over 5. Right? Next. 3 2s are 6, and root 3 multiplied by root 2 is root 6. So this will be the answer for this sum. Here 3 cube is what? It is 27. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 is root 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. But you can also do like this, root 2 into root 2 into root 2. All these are partners, as they have said that cube, right? So it will be, you know, basically what it will be, root 2 into root 2 is what? Root 4. Square root of 4 is 2, and this doesn't have any partner, so it will be root 2. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Square root of root 9 is 3, and this will be only root 3, right? So now 27 into 2 is 54. 54 into 3 is 162 root 6. So root 2 into root 3 is root 6. International math students are allowed to do things on calculator, so they can do it on calculator. IPM students have to do everything mentally. So sorry, you all are not allowed to use calculator. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6, and root 5 is root 30. Again, repeating, conceptual math students are also not allowed to use calculator. Now, here, root 8 over root 2. Root 8 over root 2 means what? Here, see, rule of third means what? You want to remove your square root. So how will you remove your square root over here? Basically, this is division of thirds. Multiply this with root 2. Multiply this. So whatever is there in the denominator, you will do the rationalization of that. This is called rationalizing. So here you are doing the rationalization. So whatever you will do in denominator, same thing you will do in numerator. So this is root 16, because 8 into 2 is 16. So root of 16. Here root of 4. So what is root of 16? It is 4. What is root of 4? It is 2. And simplification, this will give you answer 2. Similarly here, root of 18, root of 12. First what we will do? Sorry, it is not 12, it is 2. Just do like this, correct? So 2 9s are, so this is equivalent to root of 9. This is root of 1. We have got 1 over here. Root of 9 is 3 and root of 1 is 3, which is equivalent to 3. Here, this question is like this, root of 5 over root of 20. I can do here like this. 1 4s are 20. So root of 1 over root of 4. Root of 1 is 1 and root of 4 is 2. Similarly here, 25. So root of 25 over root of 1. What is root of 25? It is 5. And what is root of 1? It is 1. So answer is 1. Correct? Here also it is very simple. What you will be doing? You first will be doing like this, that reduce this 6 4s are. So 2 root 1, here root of 4. Root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2, 2 2 cut, answer is 1. Correct? Now write following in terms of k root 2. So what you will be doing first, find the square root of 8. So we will be taking LCM of 8. Here, these are partners. So that will be 2 2s are 4. So basically square root of 2 is only 2. So you will take only 2. This doesn't have any partner, so it will be only root 2. So see, you have represented this in form of root 2. K is 2 root 2. Here root 1 over 2, basically it is like this, root 1 over root 2. You will be doing rationalizing here into root 2, here also into root 2. So this is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4, which is square root of 4 is 2. Correct? So this is basically nothing over here is. So in terms of this is k root 2, which is your k is half and this is root 2. So answer is half root 2. Or you can present it like this also, 0.5 root 2. Correct? Simplify this, root of 24. I don't know what is root of 24. So 2 ones are 2. Correct? What is this? They are partners. So you will just write like this. They both don't have partners. So it will be 2 3s are 6, which will come in root 6. Are you all clear till here? Right? Now root of 162. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Both are partners. Both are partners individual. So as they both are partners, we will write 3 into 3. Iska ek 3, iska ek 3. And this will be only 2. So what this is? 3 times 3 is 9 root 2. So your answer will be 9 root 2. Next, this will be like this, root of 5, root of 9. What is root of 5? It will be only root of 5. What is square root of 9? It is 3. So your answer will be root 5 over root 3. I know root of 36 is 6, correct? See, another easier way is, I know this is 25 into 3. Either that way or you take the LCM. Now square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 3 is root 3 over 6. So answer is 5 root 3 over 6. Are you with me, students? Is everybody sorted for this question? Right? So there are various ways to do the things faster. Here into root 3 into root 3. So this will be 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 9, which is only 3, or square root cut, this is only 3. You know, once you get the grip, it becomes very fast. Now here into root 5, I want to remove root 5 into root 5. Whatever you do in denominator, same thing you will do in numerator. So this is 15 root 5. This will be what? 2 into root 25. So 15 root 5 over 2 into 5. So 5 3s are. So what is your answer? It will be 3 over 2 root 5. Are you all clear for this also? Next. 2 root 2 over root 3. Multiply by root 3. Here multiply by root 3. This will be what? It will be 2 root 6 over root 9. So 2 root 6 over 3, because square root of 9 is what? It is 3. Correct? So 2 over 3 root 9, root 6. Are you all clear till here? Now what we will do over here? Correct. So what will be this? This will be 3 plus root 5. Here this 3 will be multiplied with this 3 plus root 5. Here negative root 5 is multiplied with 3 plus root 5. So what this will, you need to be very careful about the signs over here. 3 3s are 9, 3 root 5. Here minus it is. So write minus 3 root 5. Minus plus is what? It is minus. Be very careful about the signs or else you will go wrong. Root 5 into root 5 is root 25. Root of 25 is what? It is 5. Correct? So what? This plus minus, it is cancelled. So your answer will be equivalent to 3 plus root 5 over 9 minus 5 is 4. So your answer will be 3 plus root 5 over 4. Repeating this, be very careful about the signs. Multiplied with 2 plus root 7, not plus root 7, sign will change. You will take the reverse sign. See, here also we have taken the reverse sign. This is minus, we have taken plus. Correct? So be very careful about that also. Here multiplied by 2 minus root 7. Careful about the things. Two will be multiplied with 2 minus root 7. plus root 7 will be multiplied with 2 minus root 7, right? You are multiplying this bracket with this bracket. So 3 is multiplied, understood? So 3 2s are 6 minus 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7 minus minus becomes plus. Root 7 into root 7 is what? Root 49. Basically, this is like this. Root 7 into root 7 is root 49, which is equivalent to 7. Similarly, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 root 7. Here, this is 2 root 7. Root 7, here plus minus is minus. Root 7 into root 7 is root 49, which is equivalent to 7. Square root of 49 is equivalent to 7. Are you all with me till here? Right? Now what we will be doing? We will be doing like this. This is equivalent to 6 plus 7 is 11. And here this will be minus 5 root 7. So 6 plus 7 is 11 minus 5 root 7. No, 6 plus 7 is 13. Sorry. Here it will be 13 minus 5 root 7. And here this will be like this. 7 minus 4 is what? It is negative 3. See, now I don't want negative 3 in denominator. Correct? In denominator will be never negative. So you want to remove this sign, you will minus here. As well, you will minus here. Because I want to remove minus sign, I will minus. In the denominator, I will minus in the numerator. So minus plus will become minus. Minus minus will become plus 5 root 7. And this minus minus is cancelled. So it will be 3. So you can keep your answer either in this way, or you can give your answer in this way, 5 root 7 minus 13 over 3. So be very careful about the signs, apply the rules properly, and things are easy. Thanks a lot, students.